Hi, Jeff from Leslie Emergency Vehicles. I'm the operations manager here. Today we're going to cover installing Deutche connectors on the front end of this Ford utility in preparation for installing the push bumper. The advantages of doing so are when it is all said and done, if the push bumper gets hit, bent, or used, it can be replaced easily for any of the reasons of damage. Alright, thanks for hanging out. Be sure to follow LEV on all the social medias for the latest updates, and we'll see you soon.